Welcome to Asset Plant Machinery. Heath's just going to do a small demonstration. We've pre-commissioned our full hydraulic Panbrake 2504. It's a 2500 by 4mm NC1, so it's got a 99 station NC controller. As you can see there, all the blades are hardened and ground, and he's just going to run through and do a small cycle. As you can see, nice and smooth. The folding beam's coming up now to a position, and as I said, this one's an NC1, so it has a programmable folding apron. Now, all of our Panbrakes, standards and NC1s, also have a nice calibrated rack and pinion back gauge, as you can see there. So you can set your back gauge distance to a determined point, and it also has 4 fingers along the back gauge bar, so you can set your back gauge position. Nice and quiet. We've been selling these for years, very successful, only just been improving these as we've been going. So jump on assetplant.com.au and check out our range of sheet metal and metalworking Panbrake folders.